Here?
Yep.
Like that?
Yep.
You said above the hook or below the hook? Oh, you're so kind. Heather wants this bathroom shelf put up. So I did grab my screw case. They aren't telling me what screws go where, but
malfunction, need input.
There really is only two types. And this is for mounting it on the drywall, or is mounting it on the wall. So it's a difference of using these for putting this together, and it's obviously going to be a process of elimination. There's only two different types, and they're two different, vastly different sizes. So I can't really get it wrong. And voila, I need a Phillips. It gave me an Allen wrench, and I need a Phillips for the small one. Yeah, okay. So, according to the picture, they hang like this. So the question is it which? Oh, okay. So maybe the larger. Yeah. Okay. So this is going to be the one with the Allen on it. Not too tight, just enough so it's not wobbling around. And then the other Allen, and I've got a spare Allen. I joked with the other camp host, and I also joked, and I have a master's in IKEA. So now I'm just trying to figure out how I'm going to do this. Can I put it, I mean, is that a good place? I can put it like this. That way we still have this here. Things can be hung underneath. I'll do the very high bond tape and the screw. Got this very high bond double stick tape. People, RVers use too. And okay, this is very nice tape. It's not cheap. It's thick, but man, RVers chew this stuff up because it is so strong.
We don't have to have this thing there. We move it over to the left.
Nope.
Okay. What about this side? What if it was right there and I take those things off?
Okay, yeah, that'd probably be better. So right here?
Yep.
Like that?
Yep.
This one off. I'm not going to worry about whether it's exactly level or not. You said above the hook or below the hook? Oh, you're so kind. Okay. Here we go. It's on. So this is where we spent last night. We did wally docking at a Walmart, Wellington, Kansas.